The events you are about to witness occurred along a forgotten stretch of rural highway known only to locals as Road 17. What began as a simple weekend escape for four friends soon unraveled into a descent beyond fear, a collision with something ancient, feral and merciless. Though authorities never spoke publicly about what was found at the scene, the case remains buried in silence, but fragments of the truth still circulate, whispers of mutilated remains, of guttural screams, echoing through the fields, of something that walks upright, but is not human. This is not a tale for the faint of heart. It is a record of the unspeakable. This is the story of what happened on Road 17.
Grave robbing in Texas is this hour's top news story. An informant led officers of the Muerto County Sheriff's Department to a cemetery just outside the small rural Texas community of Newt early this morning. Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art, the remains of a badly decomposed body wired to a large monument. A second body was found in a ditch near the perimeter of the cemetery. Subsequent investigation has revealed at least a dozen empty crypts, and it's feared more will turn up as the